Yeah, how do you delete funnels?
So if you go to the settings, go and just hover over your funnels area, right there, and just scroll to the right or left, whatever. If it's not allowing you to do so, just scroll to the bottom of the page, and there will be a slider, or maybe just expand your page.
It's big already, guys.
That well, cause you see, like there's new icons appearing over here too. For whatever reason, it's not. Yeah, see.
Oh, the gear.
We're missing
Okay.
some. But anyways, just go to the gear icon for that specific funnel, and it'll take you to the settings. And then after that, just go to the bottom of that new settings menu and archive the funnel.
Okay. So it doesn't delete it. It just basically
Yeah, because you can bring these back at any point. So if you,
uh
there used to be a big thing within ClickFunnels Classic, right? Like, or well, obviously this too, I guess. But they basically just made it so you can bring it back in the case that you didn't actually mean to delete it.
Well, do you remember that was a
okay.
bug actually?
Yeah,
The archive
and
funnels were always meant to be restored, but there was a
uh-huh.
bug where you couldn't.
Uh,
So once you archived it, it was pretty much done.
Not always. I had it for some funnels it was hit or miss, but 2.0 I haven't had any issues. It restores
Yeah.
no problem. Which is great.
Okay.
I didn't think you could archive funnels for the longest time with 2.0 because the folder doesn't actually show up until you archive your first funnel. So I was like, what in the world?
Oh, really?
Oh,
Yeah.
what in the world? Okay. All right.
Archived. And that's it. So if you ever want to go back over there, you can add it and all that good stuff.
Gotcha.